Well, here we go. This is the Champion Camelback Drill Press. This was all the markings on it done. It's got red marks on where it gets oiled at. All the spots get oiled. The drive belt, the pulley, the 1.5 horsepower Delco motor, the little table I made in the back, the wiring, all the markings, all the red marks for where the oil goes, little table in the back, the switch to turn it on. There it is running. The table, front with the auto feed mechanism. There's a chain for the sash weight that's inside the press, so that it doesn't snap back after you bring it down. You just have to put it back because it's got a counterweight on it. This is where the hand crank goes to raise and lower the table. I have this over here on the table in the back, so it's out of the way. Put it on when you want to crank the table up or down. That little ticking sound in the background is the steel part that holds the belt together. That makes a ticking noise when it goes across that bottom belt where it's smaller. But this is it running. Real quiet. Oil pots on top where little red marks on because they're Babbitt bearings. At the back of the shaft spinning. That's this part right here. What hooks up to here for the automatic feed. I don't have that engaged because I'm not using it. Well, we hook that up, take the pin out of the belt, thread the belt, and turn it on, and it works. But that's it. That's as loud as it is. Number 18,151. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm just going to focus on that or not. Nah, it's not doing a real good job of focusing. I apologize. But this right here is the gear. This lever right here is to engage, take the pin out and engage in it, and it goes twice as slow as, it cuts the speed in half of what it's spinning now. It's spinning very slow now. You can see how slow that's spinning. That's spinning real slow. Well, this is it. Got delivered to my house in pieces the last weekend in July. And just put the letters on, white letters on the side. Today all the parts are numbered. It's pretty cool how this was made. Every part has a number, and I made sure I whited the numbers and you could see them. what numbers it was. It's a Champion 20-inch drill. It's made by Champion Blower and Forge Company, Lancaster, PA, USA. I'm gonna reach around and just shut it off. There you have it.